So kind of going back to what Austin was talking about, doing some lookalike detection, right? So what I have here is basically a Splunk search that I've built, basically a Levenstein 2-character difference on the term Microsoft. And basically what I'm looking for are domains that are on our domain risk feed, which are domains with a greater than 70 risk score that would match that, right? So in the case here, we can see we've got a bunch of domains that show up. And like I'm trying to kind of like get you in the mind of what might a workflow look like if I built this in here, right? I run this, I can create maybe a report in my Splunk environment that pulls those domains in. So basically what I did here from my Splunk app is I took the responding domains that were from that search I ran in Splunk. I plugged them directly into Iris Investigate just to kind of look at them more closely to see if there were themes that I wanted to identify. This one jumped out to me, micro SOT1 NO. I can see that it's got a high risk score over 70, which is what's on this risk feed. I can see it's got a guided pivot. I can make that guided pivot, see other domains that are responding to that IP address right now. And the other thing, like when I'm in Investigate like this, is I can see it's got a screenshot and I can dig a little bit more closer and understand how sophisticated is this domain that I'm looking at. Is it set up to kind of harm my enterprise? So in our Splunk app, you've also got the ability to drive notable events from the feeds. Like I said, we give you the feed, you take the feed, you compare your logs against it. In the case of what's on the screen here, this is an example where a domain that was on the newly observed list showed up on a threat feed and a notable was generated within the Splunk environment.